Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to manage your notifications on Bigo Live. Okay, so first things first, you have to click on the icon that's on the bottom right corner. On the bottom of the screen, we can see about 5 icons. A home icon that will take you to Bigo Live's homepage, an explore icon that will send you to their explore page for you to find new creators on the app. The icon in the middle, the little camera icon, that's for you to go live. The community icon is for Bigo Live's community. And the icon on the bottom right corner, the me icon, we have to click on that, and that will take us to our profile. Once we're here, as you can see, we have a lot of options, and you can see my profile name, my profile picture, and that's about it. All you have to do is look at the top right corner. There's 2 icons, a little settings icon and a little person icon. All you have to do is click on the settings icon. And once we got here, we have a couple of options: privacy, blocked list, account management, device manager, and notifications. We're going to click on the notifications, and as you can see, my notification permission is closed, unable to receive notifications, but it doesn't matter. As you can see, you can have message notifications. You can have new fans. You'll get a notification when you have a fan. New visitors. You can get a notification when someone visits your profile, a bar notification. And then you have live sharing and invitations, and you can have a notification for that. Recommended broadcasters, you can have a notification also for that. Live notification, turn on to get live notifications. And then, as you can see, these are a couple of people I follow and I find interesting. And you can set that when they go live or when they post, you get a notification on your phone, so you can always be updated with the newest posts or the second they start a live, so you won't miss a second. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.